Welcome to the Rituals Meditation Series. Our practice today will help you let go of the day, relax, and prepare yourself for a good night's sleep. During this practice, we're lying down, with the eyes closed and the body in a state of relaxation. Maybe in your bed or on another soft and comfortable surface. So find the most comfortable resting position. If you need any support under the knees or the head, make sure to get a blanket or a pillow. The body temperature will naturally come down during a relaxation practice. Make sure you're warm enough and stay warm with clothes, an extra pair of socks or blankets. Allow the legs to freely fall in a natural way, releasing any sense of tension, and close your eyes. Now, take a few deep breaths in and long sighs out. Letting go of everything for now. Release tension with every exhale. Take the time for your exhales. Allow the body to sink in, to relax. Then close the mouth gently, keeping your focus on your breath. Observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more at ease. Allow yourself to sink into yourself. Gradually deepening your breath each time. Slow and long exhalations. Focusing on your breath makes it much easier to focus on the present moment and leave behind the tensions and thoughts of the day. See if you can direct your breath towards your lower belly. You may like to place your hands on your belly to feel where to direct the breath. You may feel the belly gently rising and falling. As you keep lengthening the breath, time the inhales and exhales. See if you can bring the count up to about 5 on the inhales and even longer on the exhales. You may feel that it becomes easier to relax while you become more aware of your breath. Make each inhale expand your body into a sea of relaxation. As you exhale, try to take twice as long to release the air you took on your inhale. If you notice a natural pause at the end of the exhale, allow it, maybe even extend it, without any force to it. Now, let the breath just come to a natural pace. Gently flow in and gently flow out. No need to control. Just let it be. As you continue to breathe slowly and with attention, take a moment to feel gratitude for each breath. For each inhalation, to expand your body with fresh oxygen. For each exhale, to release what's done. Expressing and feeling gratitude is proven to be beneficial before going to sleep. It will improve the quality and the length of your sleep and will make you wake up with a more positive mindset. This gratitude can be for anything. The first sip of your fresh cup of tea or coffee in the morning, rays of sun, a bird singing sweet songs, a genuine smile from a stranger or a friend, a warm hug from a loved one. What made you smile today? The first thing that comes up. Just allow that feeling in your body, that feeling of gratitude. If more come up, just allow them. Whatever you're grateful for today, in this moment, feel the appreciation and joy that comes from the simple pieces of your day. Now, we're going to do a body scan to release any trapped energy or stress that can be let go of. Whatever is no longer serving you is free to leave your body and leave you in a state of stillness. Bring the attention to the crown of your head. Notice any sensation there or around the temples, tingling, liveliness, or nothing. Just take a moment here. Move down to the forehead. Let go of any expression that might be there. Soften the face. Bring your attention to the jaws. This is a very common place to hold stress. Allow yourself to release any tension or tightness that might be there and relax the jaw. Relax the lips gently on top of each other, or ever so slightly open. Let the tongue rest, gently touching the roof of your mouth or your front teeth. Relax the face. Now move down to the shoulders. If you would like to make any relaxing movements, this may help to release any tension you may be holding. Allow this calm and relaxing energy to travel down along the arms to the hands and fingers. Let go of any energy being held. Bring awareness to your collarbones and shoulder blades. Take a deep breath and relax into it. Feel the energy traveling down your spine. Inhale and increase the space between every vertebra. Exhale and fully release and relax. Now, move to your chest muscles, your diaphragm and belly. Take a deep breath and release. You are letting go. Going down to your hips and your thighs. Relax. Allow your knees to relax. All the way down to your calves and your ankles. Release and let go. Let's focus on the feet. Take a moment to give gratitude as they have carried you through another day in this life. Release any tension they may be holding. Feel any negative energy falling from the crown of the head, down the back of your neck, down the spine, down the back of your legs, behind your kneecaps, down your calves, to the back of your heels, and all the way back to the soles of your feet. And feel that energy escape through the ends of your toes. Letting your body become heavy and sink down, carried. Let yourself be fully in this moment of relaxation, safe and protected, a place of shelter within yourself, stillness and peace, where you may peacefully transition to sleep. Allowing the feeling of sleepiness, the feeling of being completely relaxed. Falling deeper, finding sleep, sleep, peaceful, wonderful sleep. Good night.